Hello, this video gonna show you how to convert FLV to MP4 easily and quickly. Although FLV is small, it shows poor compatibility and quality. Instead, MP4 is definitely better. Here we'll show you a powerful video converter to make conversions effortlessly. Except for conversion, Cisdem Video Converter offers extra functions to perform diverse tasks about video files. For making simple conversions, it only needs 3 steps, but we'll show you its full guide in the following. Firstly, open it, drag and drop one FLV video to the program. Since it offers a batch processing feature, you can add multiple videos as well. Before converting, click the pencil icon to customize the file if you want. On the editing window, it allows you to restart the file length. Crop unwanted part of the video. Adjust video effects to suit your personal style. Rotate or flip the video orientation. Make a special watermark in text or image form. Add external subtitle file. And control the volume. When done, click Save. You can click the video thumbnail to preview the editing result. Now, hit on the highlight format button to choose the output format. Choose MP4 video under General Video tab. Since it supports various formats, you can also click the Format button to choose other wanted formats. But if you just want MP4 format, click the Convert All Tasks to button to choose MP4 for all files in one click. Then, you can activate the format list again, and click the gear wheel icon. It will show you a new window to change the encoding video and audio parameters. When all is done, hit on Convert icon to start to batch convert FLV files to MP4. After converting, click on the video thumbnail to play the new file in the app. Besides, click the checkmark icon can locate the newly MP4 files on your local folder. Additionally, there are other 2 tabs on the top interface. One is for ripping DVDs, and the other one is for downloading videos from online websites. That's all of this video. Hope it can be helpful to you. Bye.